I don't pay any more money on the market. Now I do it at home with only one ingredient. Start by cutting 1 kilogram of meat. The meat I'm using is the bread staple, but you can use the meat of your choice. Divide the meat into 5 pieces. After cutting the meat, pass it into a container, remembering that this container needs to be glass or plastic. At the bottom of the container, add salt and then add all the meat. On top, add more salt until it covers the meat completely. Spread the salt until it covers all the meat. Cover the container with plastic film. We are all done. Now just leave for 3 days out of the fridge. After that time, remove the plastic film and let all the water that the meat released drain. In addition to draining the water, I also washed the meat and dried it. Now add more salt and pass on all the pieces. Done this process again, cover with plastic film and leave for another 1 day out of the refrigerator. After 1 day, your dried meat is ready. Here I remove all the salt and wash it afterwards. Look how it's on the inside part. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. For those who like dried meat, this is amazing. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super easy recipe which you make at home and spends very little. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.